Well, good morning. Welcome to My Yard is My Garage. I'm Bishop. My yard is my garage. Why am I whispering? I'm outside. Okay, you may ask yourself, Bishop, what's in your eye? No. Bishop, what are you doing? Where are you going, Bishop? What are you doing, Bishop? What you doing, Bish? Where are you going, Bishop? What are you doing, Bish? I'm going to be making a trip today. Going to be picking up something for our 1969 Charger project, and I'm going to bring you along with this. It's going to be a lot of fun, and we're going to meet some really fun people, do some fun things today. So why don't you stick with this, and let's go have an adventure. All right, well, if you can't tell, we are on the road. So, today is going to be a great day full of surprises, bumps, fun. Goodness. Yeah, there's some potholes that need to be fixed around here. Let's just get back to the car. Oh, okay, like 300 miles, some odd. All right. So we've arrived. I'm gonna pick up our power plant for our charger. So let's go inside, pay for that, and then we're gonna look around. Lots of cool old classics around here too, man. All right, let's get this done. I'm not sure what that weird sound is, but I am having some breakfast. The bee sitting out here. We're waiting to go over and pick the engine up. I'm just gonna eat some, oatmeal porridge. Yeah, so we'll get over to the engine in just a minute. I'm gonna eat. So what do you think? I was thinking maybe we could use a little six-banger maybe, or is that a four? What do you think? Should we do that? No? All right. You win.
Okay. Gasket, intake, hemi-orange.
Oh yeah, I am here with it. Sure, I'm revealing it in the driveway, but yeah, we're just double checking to make sure everything's cool here. No more peeking. Yeah, that's good. Perfect. All right, well, yeah, I got it. It's cool. All right, and it keeps the sun out of my eyes. We have it. And let's drive back and we'll do an unboxing. And you're going to love it. It's going to be exciting. All right, well, I'm on the road, heading up to Wenatchee. Let's enjoy that ride. And yep, that's it in the back. Well, and there you have it. How befitting that we're actually out here in the dark again. Oh, at least let me get some light on me. Thanks for coming by on My Yard is My Garage. I'm Bishop. I thank you again for following me along in this journey, in this quest. Might be a little dark. Maybe you can see it. I don't know. Maybe we should turn a light on. It was an amazing trip. I got to meet a lot of good people, and you will too. The door is heavy, especially after shoulder day. Let's get a light on here. There we go. Okay. Yeah. I'm gonna do a how it's done kind of video with S&J engines. Great people. I've had a few of their products, thousands of miles on them, never had an issue, and I cannot wait, truly, to dig into this right here. Yeah, it's a little, yeah, cardboard doesn't take too well to, lift it out of the back of the truck. But anyways, thank you again for coming along. If you like what you see, go ahead and hit subscribe. If you want to be reminded when I drop new content, go ahead and hit the bell. You know how that works. And I thank you for coming by, and I will see you next time. And let's do a reveal on this. What do you say? All right, take care. We'll see you. Man, I gotta clean this garage out sometime.